In this video, we are going to see how to calculate percentage. As I tabulated here, 1% mark sheet I have given. To calculate the percentage value, we need obtained marks as well as the total marks. Using some formula, I have calculated obtained marks and total marks. Now we are going to calculate the percentage of mark. For calculating percentage of mark, we need obtained marks as well as the total mark. Obtained mark divided by total mark into 100, you can able to get the percentage of mark. There is another methodology, the obtained mark divided by total mark. To change the number format into percentage, move to number format and click the percentage. You will get the percentage.